Good day, folks. 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith. Now, we had snow around for the morning hours. We get a bit of a break, a bit of a lull, and then there's more snow in store for Metro Detroit. Now, the second batch is going to also feature some rain mixing in as well. So it'll be a combination of rain and snow. This is a look at 7 First Alert Futurecast, and you can see at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, we have mostly cloudy skies, but there's a batch of rain and some embedded snow just down to our south and west. That comes moving in as rain and snow for the evening drive and beyond. We'll keep snow around overnight tonight, and that'll give us the chance for an inch or two of snow for most communities. Some spots could pick up as much as 3 inches of snow. Most folks won't get that. Most folks it's 1 or 2 inches, but still snow around tonight, snow around for your Wednesday morning drive, and we'll keep a chance for snow around Wednesday and Thursday as well. That system sits there and spins and causes problems for Metro Detroit over the next couple of days. So it was light snow during the day today with some mixing, and you'll see that it's during the overnight hours that we start to see more snow building up. You'll see 1, 2, look at Lapeer, upwards of 3 inches of snow. So there is snow in store for tonight and tomorrow. Be prepared for a messy drive, especially Wednesday morning. Today we'll look for a high near 40 degrees. The morning snow showers taper off by midday. It's going to be a mix with an east wind at 10 to 20 miles an hour. Overnight tonight, down to 29 degrees with 1 to 3 inches of snow. Tomorrow, we'll see some light snow around and a high of 38 degrees, 36 degrees Thursday, and then we're done. We get a bit of a break. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we're looking at temperatures in the upper 30s and low 40s, a mix of sun and clouds, but importantly, we're dry. Also, don't forget to set your clocks forward Saturday night and into Sunday as we spring forward. It's a sure sign of spring. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith.